morning, everyone.
Good morning.
First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present today. My name is Iriani Rosa Mariana Mikiu. My student number is P07120323053. I am a student of anesthesiology at Poltekkes Kemenkes Yogyakarta. Today, I would like to talking about patient monitoring in the recovery room. So, let's begin. Let's talk about what is post-anesthesia care important. Post-anesthesia care is provided after anesthesia and surgery. This is important because patients are still recovery from anesthesia. During the period, the patient condition can change. For example, the patient breathing, blood pressure, heart rate, or level of conscience might change. Therefore, patient need careful monitoring. Complication can happen after anesthesia. Okay, now I will explain what should be monitored in the recovery room. There are several important parameters. The first is respiratory status and oxygen saturation. We need to assess the patient breathing and oxygen. The second is heart rate and blood pressure. This parameter help us assess the patient circulation. The three is conscious. We need to assess the patient level of conscious and before. The fourth is pain and other symptoms. We also need to observe symptoms such as nausea and vomiting. The five is temperature and overall condition. These parameters are important for safe recovery. Okay, next I will explain common problem after anesthesia. The first problem is airway and respiratory problem. Patient might have difficult breathing. The second problem is blood pressure change. Blood pressure can change during the recovery period. Three, problem is nausea and vomiting. Four, problem is pain. Patient might feel pain after surgery. Now, let's talk about role of anesthesia personnel. Anesthesia personnel play important role in patient safety dan recovery. First, monitor. We monitor the patient condition constantly. Second, assess. We assess vital sign and the patient recovery. Three, recognize. We recognize change and possible complication early. Four, communicate. And safety during recovery can follow this process. Early recognize, opportunity management, and safer recovery. Okay, final. I would to give a short summary. Post-anesthesia care is important because patient need careful monitoring. The patient recovery must be assessed and change or complication should be recognized early. And most importantly, patient safety is the priority. In consultation, careful monitoring and assessment can support safe recovery after anesthesia. Okay, that is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Do you have any question?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Good morning. Thank you for the presentation. I have a question for you. Why is post anesthesia care important for patient after anesthesia?
Okay. Thank you for your question. Post anesthesia care is important because patients are still recovering from the effect of anesthesia. Their physiology condition might change during recovery. Therefore, careful monitoring is needed to recognize complication early and maintain patient safety.
Okay, thank you.
Ini pertanyaan. Good morning. Thank you for the presentation. I also have a question. And wait. Good morning. Thank you for the presentation. I also have any question. And my education for you. What parameter should they monitor in the recovery room?
Okay, thank you for the question. The important parameters include respiratory status, oxygen saturation, heart rate, blood pressure, level calmness, pain, and temperature. These parameters help us the patient condition and recovery after anesthesia.
Good. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for your question. That is all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation has give you a better understanding of post anesthesia care and patient monitoring. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Good morning.